One of my favourite products from Patriot Supply lives in my area, the man cave, at the front of the camper trailer, and it's always in that position right there. It is the glow-in-the-dark screw peg kit. I'll take you over the kitchen and I'll run you through what this thing's all about. Before we get started on what this thing's all about, this is typically what you'll get with anything that requires a guy rope. Now, in perfect conditions, these things work fine. But I can tell you how many nights I've gotten up in the middle of the night blowing a gust and these things start working their way out of the ground. So we've come up with another concept in here inside the PVC bag. And you'll notice for the people that have had one of these for a long period of time, we used to supply them in a canvas bag. But what I was finding, moisture in the morning, I always throw the bag under the trailer. It ends up somewhere while you're camping. The bag was always wet. So we've gone to this brand new PVC waterproof bag, which is really cool. Now inside, you've got 35 of these little suckers. Now, they're 140 mil long. I've found that these things will work really in any situation, in any type of ground. Sand, we've got another product that can combat that. But for 90% of your camping, we found that that is absolutely the perfect product. I'll mention once again, glow in the dark. They're not going to last all night. They won't glow illuminate like a light during the whole night. But the whole idea behind that is so people don't trip over when they're walking around the campsite at night. They're zinc plated, so they'll last a really long time. You can actually see the condition of all of my pegs. Inside the bag, you've got the drill bit head, yeah? So that will connect straight into the top of the drill. Don't lose that thing. That's why we got a little pouch inside. But to be honest with you, if you've got teenage kids, you'll probably want a couple of spare ones of these, 13 mil. Have them lying around because you know what the kids do, they never put anything back. Come down and I'll show you how they work. All right, so, screw peg. I'm gonna screw it in, right? I was gonna come up with some other way of explaining it. Straight into your impact drill. You normally just hold the top. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, you've got a good opportunity here for guy ropes. If you're gonna run this thing on a guy rope, you can either run it in on the angle, so I'll go in at maybe 30 degrees, somewhere around there, attach the guy rope right through this hook here, or depending on what style of foot or whatever you're trying to secure down, let's say if I was trying to secure down just the edge of my mat right here, I'd use this side. So I'd put the thing in the ground here. Actually, let's do it. I'll just show you, I'll run you through. So you've got a good little hook there. You hold the top, straight into the ground, and you can see right here that I'm securing right on the edge of the mat. Now, if I want to go into my awning, screw it back out. And you can see that that's going absolutely nowhere. So if you don't have a set of these in your camper trailer, make sure you get on it.